Take a look how to sew Fendi style pocket. It's a classic double welt pocket with a twist of adding metal ring. Perfecting any welt pocket is all about preparation. First, it's adding interfacing to stabilize the fabric because we're going to sew sharp corners and they need to be reinforced to keep shape. Second prep step is drawing accurate lines. The more precise you draw the lines, the easier it will be for you to sew later. If you do these prep steps right, you're already halfway on the road to success. The Fendi style pocket we're making today has this metal hook attached, which adds an interesting touch to the design, but you will see once the pocket is sewn that it also has a bit of a design flaw. On sewing machine, it's all about following the drawn lines as best as possible, so I usually sew as low as I can and double check each marking and each seam as I sew. It's also important to start and stop seam exactly at the marking so that we later get those sharp, beautiful corners. Now, cutting through the pocket opening is probably the scariest part because if anything goes wrong here, it cannot be reversed. But if you use interfacing and sew lines following markings, everything should be fine. The last few final steps are securing the edges with this triangle right here, adding pocket bag and top stitching, which we will talk in depth in the later tutorial. And now our Fendi style pocket is finished. It looks very interesting, but keep in mind that the heavy metal part may drag the bottom part, which happens in the original as well. So you may want to use this pocket on very sturdy materials or add an extra closure in the center to prevent this from happening.